Okay, hopefully by now these are pretty straightforward. What's the solution to the equation? We have the original equation at the start. We're going to then say we need to undo what's happening to w, which is -2, so we have to do a +2 to both sides. And we get w is equal to -1. We're going to do a proof on that. Start with w minus 2 equals -3, parentheses, -1, minus 2 equals -3, and -1 minus 2 is indeed -3. -3 equals -3. Your proof is never complete until you have the same thing on both sides. Okay, two more on this slide. Okay, what's the solution to the equation? What's happening to p? P is being multiplied by 2. We need to do the inverse operation of times 2, which is divided by 2 both sides. And what we get then is 1.7 equals p. Okay, we'll do a proof on that. (3.4) equals 2 times p. 3.4 equals 2 parentheses 1.7. 1.7 times 2 indeed equals 3.4, so 3.4 equals 3.4. Check. One more. Okay, so what's happening to h? It's being divided by 5. The inverse operation is times 5. We have the original equation written right here, so I'm not writing that again. But I'm going to do 5 parentheses everything that's on the left side equals 5 parentheses everything that's on the right side. I'm emphasizing that because you should be doing that exactly this way. The multiplier out front and then parentheses and everything that was already on that side equals the multiplier, parentheses, everything that was on that side. People that are not doing this are making mistakes, consistently making mistakes by trying to just multiply the things they're seeing by 5 without putting everything in there and distributing, and then everything doesn't get multiplied by, for example, 5. It's problematic, and if you're not doing it, don't be surprised if you keep making mistakes and you keep losing points. So h is equal to -35. Am I sure? Well, not until I do a proof. So I take -7 equals h divided by 5, and I say I'm replacing h with what it's worth. So I put that in parentheses over, in this case, 5. And if we did -35 divided by 5, well, negative divided by a positive is a negative. And 35 divided by 5, 5 times 7 is 35, so divided by 5 is 7. Done. That's it.